Alright guys, so one of the things you may not know about me is I'm a collector of toys. Specifically toys from my childhood. Anything that meant something to me when I was a child, I collect. So I have a lot of like He-Man type stuff, some video game type stuff. But today's video is about an unboxing. I got a statue from First Four Figures. It's Majora's mask, and it's one of my favorite items in my collection. The mask just looks really neat, and it's got a light up base and the eyes light up. It's not turned on right now, but in the back here you can see there's a switch down there on the bottom that lights the eyes up, and then there's a switch down here that lights the base up. And I think it's a really sweet piece. So anyway, if you're not into video games, you probably won't have any idea what Majora's Mask is. It's from the Legend of Zelda series. And like I said, I'm a collector of Zelda type stuff. So anyway, if you're not into this kind of thing, scroll on, find a different video of mine. If you're into video games and you like toy collecting, check this video out. I made a little production here, added some audio from a video clip on YouTube. I'll link to that video clip because those folks did an amazing job, and I'm just going to borrow some of their audio for the video here. So check this out, and let me know what you think.
Here, at the end of things, I can still feel its power. When I found it, I could sense the doom of a dark omen brewing. And now, that imp has it. I should have heeded the ancient's warning. Nothing can withstand its power.